Welcome back. We learned about arrays, how to create them, how to store values in the array, and how to access elements in the array and print them according to the index. In this video, we'll learn about a special kind of loops called the for each loop in Java. The for each loop, also known as the enhanced for loop, provides a convenient and concise way to iterate through elements in the array or a collection. It simplifies the process of traversing elements and is particularly useful when you don't need to access the index of the elements and you want to focus on each individual element itself. Exactly as this example. Here we access the elements of specified index. But what about getting all the elements in the array? We need to use the for each loop. So always use for each loop when you have arrays. The basic syntax of the for each loop is as follows. Start by for keyword. We start by specifying the data type, the element to this column, and the collection. And here the code to be executed for each element in the collection. I want from you to write this note in your copybook and the notebook because this is the basic syntax for each loop. Let's break it down. The data type in the for each loop refers for the elements in the collection. It's the data type of the elements in the collection. In this case, it's an int, okay? Because our array is an integer. Element. The element is a variable that represents each individual element in the collection during each iteration of the loop. The collection, the array or collection that you want to iterate through. And in this case, it's the numbers array. So let's iterate through our numbers array and print all the elements inside it. I'll comment this because this is the basic syntax. We start with a for loop and the data type according to this syntax is int. The element, I'll keep it, you can specify it as element or a number or whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. And here we specify the collection or the array. Later on, we'll talk about collection in the next sections, but now focus with me about this array. Here, I'll make it as collection or array in order to understand well. Numbers array. Okay, so I am getting every iteration. I'll create a variable called num and specify it to the elements of the numbers array. Here, the code to be executed for each element in the collection. I need to print out each element in this collection or in this array. Print out the number. Just print out the number. Okay, let me run. Congratulations, guys. We succeeded in printing out all the elements of the array with the help of the for each loop.